We dance like our first time. Louise, look in my eyes. With you, I'm always young. Louise, you're my only one. I see past your wrinkles and scars. I know who you are. You're stuck by me and you won't let me go. Louise, I love you so. Sit tight, I'll be right back. You know just where I'm at. And when I close my eyes, you're always there by my side. I see past your wrinkles and scars. I know who you are.
Hey y'all, this is Steven and Buddy with Relaxing Nature. Today we're hanging out on the Au Sable River. There's a cool little stream that joins here, so we're just going to be hanging out, having lunch, that kind of thing. Thank y'all so much for all the subscribes that I've been getting. I think we're up to 300 now. Means a lot to me and of course Buddy. All the subscribers helps our channel grow. If you can think of any ways that I can improve my content, please feel free to leave me a comment and think about subscribing. Thank y'all.
Louise, Louise, Louise. We dance like our last time. Louise, look in my